fear in their eyes. And my son tells me that, Mama, I heard a very weird noise, a sound. I said, Acha. He said, someone told me get out. I said, it must be some child playing a trick on you because students keep coming and going. He said, no, I checked everywhere. It was a very manly voice. And twice we were told to just get out. And the friend was also like that, yeah, Didi, it was a very scary voice. And then we came running down. I said, okay, let me come. I went up with him and I looked, there was nobody around. That who could have, I thought, is someone playing a trick or something. There was nobody around. But when I was up, I didn't hear anything. I came down anyway. I told him, don't worry, just forget it and you play down, don't go up. It was running on my mind though. But that very night, what happened is that, so how it was that, me and my boys were in one room,